Hey beautiful family, welcome back to the channel, your channel. You ever had one of those days where nothing is going right, but you just keep pushing through? Today was my day. So I'm trying right here to take out the busted window, to take it and have it repaired, because the bottom half is the only part that's broke. So when I encase this window, whenever I finish this basement many years ago, I did it with the intention of never having to take the windows out. So I'm literally trying to figure out how to disassemble my own work without making additional work later on, but I'm gonna have to do some additional work. It took me quite some time to get this window out, and I finally did get it out, so I felt pretty accomplished. But then it all fell apart. So here I'm still disassembling the wall, part of the wall. I'm trying to do it in a way where when I go put the window back in, the repair part won't be so much work. So I'm just basically taking out the framework that I put on the inside of the window. Needless to say, once I finally got the window out and took it to the repair place, because of the freaking coronavirus, it's gonna take 2 weeks to get a simple 2-pane glass window fixed. So I'm gonna have to board this window up later. Yeah. Anyway, what I was saying was, it's gonna take 2 weeks. I'm gonna have to board the window up and just continue working on the remainder of the house until the window, is repaired. But thank goodness for YouTube, because after struggling, getting the window framed down, and mind you, the glass is still in shards, sharp pieces within the window. I had to YouTube how to actually unhook the window from the bottom part to get it out. And once I watched the YouTube video and saw how simple it was, it just went to show me that I'm tired in this video. Like, my body is aching. I can't breathe. Every joint, every bone, my whole body hurts. I'm waking up early, I'm working late, and I'm just tired, And this is what happens when you work halfway delirious and you have OCD, and you just become manic when working on a project. This is what happens. This right here is what happens. Victory dance, honey. The window is out, and I'm taking it. So I'm on to the next project, okay? I'm taking down the old ceiling fan, and I have plans on putting up a new ceiling fan, which you'll see in the next clip. And again, things continue to go wrong today, because we purchased a ceiling fan that hung too low, and it had like a wobbling mechanism in it. And because the ceilings were low, I didn't feel like it was safe with that wobble motion. So after hours of putting the fan together, we ended up taking it back. Here's the fan. It's beautiful. Beautiful fan. It had reversible blades on it. It was on sale for $99. It had a LED light that you never had to replace. Circular light. Really nice fan. I mean, I worked on this thing, me and my daughter, for hours. It took up a majority of the day. The power was on, but of course we had to turn the power off to, work on installing lights and stuff. And we just thought it was going to be simple. Now, it said on the box that if you had 8 feet ceilings or higher, this fan was okay to use, right? So that wobbling motion there, I was like, nah. I just didn't understand, like, why it was so wobbly. But yeah, we ended up taking it down after all that time spent, wasted pretty much throughout the day to work on this fan, only to end up taking it down and returning it. All while hurting. Every joint hurts going up and down that ladder. My shirt too small. Girl. It was just one of those days. I was over it. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great week in quarantine mode. I hope you're not going crazy. Using this time to enjoy, I don't know, family, friends, or whoever you're quarantined with, or your alone time, or whatever, projects at your house. I just hope that you're in a peaceful place, even with the uncertainty and with everything that's going on, Just keep pushing forward, family. That's all you can do. And watch me work tirelessly, I don't know what the word is, to get this project complete yet again. Girl, let me tell you something. She's dog tired. So, all these walls, so it's pitch black outside, look at that. All the walls, except for over there, so you can see the paint difference, color difference. And that's the repost, and this is the new color, way lighter. That's my stopping place. And then I gotta do up top, up there. But this can't be done until it's dry completely. So I just painted around it. And over there, that hole, painted around that. Tomorrow it's trim work. And I will start on the floors. Ceiling fan is gone. Ceiling has been painted. I've even painted down that far, like this side, this wall here is done. Hallway painted. Kitchen, it's a mess, but the kitchen is painted too. It's done. I know it might not look like it. I know it look a hot freaking mess, but it's all good. And look at this. Let me show you this thing I got for the floor. Oh, this is what I'm going to use right here to take this floor up. Okay, if you were ever considering to get you some peel and stick floor as a cheaper alternative, okay, I highly recommend this. Okay, this floor is giving me HE double hockey sticks coming up. It is down, of course, on the subfloor, which is how you're supposed to adhere it. It's down, so that's why I had to get this sucker to get it up. But look at it. Look at the samples over here. Ugh. The two different samples. Just against the, don't pay no attention to that, it's gonna be painted. I'm loving this one, but I'm also loving this one to warm it up because it's so bright in here, right? But this is a more warmer one. I feel like either one will work. And I'm gonna tell you, whichever one they have enough of is the one I'm going with. So between the two, okay? And that's just gonna make this smaller space feel way more open. And we had a ceiling fan. I don't know if I inserted a clip or not, but we ended up taking that back because it had a little bit of a wobble to it, and because these aren't super high ceilings, we didn't want to run the risk of somebody getting their head chopped off. You know what I'm saying? We didn't want that to happen. So we took it down. What? We took it down and took it back. So what I think we made, okay, so look. Those are the standard renter-friendly lights we're going with. One in here was installed today. One in this room. One in that room. Ceilings will be painted in here tomorrow. This room, that wall has been done, but that one, of course, and this one. This is the stopping place for this room, but the whole hallway has been done. Bathroom, okay, wait. The bathroom actually looks good. This is the paint, the repose gray that was in here. This was the one space that was not damaged as far as the walls and stuff. Now I got some repose in the car. So I may just touch up in here, right? And everything white is white again, and then just do the ceiling and clean that filth off right there. Because in here, the whole pop's got to be fixed in the bathroom. So I'm thinking just painting the ceiling and touching up like where the shower rod was in here. Because this bathroom actually looks good. Now the floor is coming up tomorrow. I'm gonna take that up. That's going to be, I told you guys that, but I just showed you, I'm tired, man. I've been up since literally 5 o'clock this morning. But that flooring is gonna run here. You'll see. I'm too tired to even talk about it. But I think that's what I might do. And then all the trim work. We're moving along pretty freaking quick. Tomorrow, I'm almost willing to bet because my OCD is ridiculous right now. Tomorrow, this whole thing will be done. At least this room will be done, the floor. I'm saying just this room, but I'm almost guaranteed I'm gonna keep on going, like in the in the kitchen, because I'm gonna have a new fresh body tomorrow. Cause I'm dog tired right now. Like, it's ridiculous. So, I'll bring you guys, and we got the heat on 5,059 million. And here, let me show y'all. Hold up.